Stuffed mackerel or Bharillo Bangdo is a very popular Goan dish. Take medium size mackerel and check for freshness. The gills have to be sticky. Yes, these are fresh ones. Now we will clean them and slit on both sides of the bone to make pockets for the stuffing. Sprinkle salt and keep for half an hour. Sprinkle salt on either side. In 30 minutes, the fish will absorb as much salt as required and we will wash it away after that. Mix turmeric 1 teaspoon, 3 teaspoon chili powder, little salt and little water to make a paste. We will apply this to the mackerel after washing them. Also apply on the inner side of the bone. Now for the stuffing, we will need 3 tablespoon coconut, fresh grated, 1 green chili, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, tamarind 1 small piece, 3 cloves and 2 small pieces cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon jeera, 1/2 teaspoon peppercorn, 2 teaspoonful ginger garlic paste, chopped coriander 1/2 cup, washed and cleaned before. Grind this to a chutney like paste. Now chop onion as fine as you can. 1 onion is enough. Mix in the green paste. Add little salt. Mix well. Now stuff this chutney on either side of the bone in the mackerel. Now 2 mackerels are stuffed. Roll it in rice rava. I will stuff the remaining some other time when I want. I will freeze it till then. Roll it in rice rava. Pat it so that all the rice rava sticks to the mackerel. Now add oil to hot pan. Shallow fry on all the sides. Keep turning. This takes little time because of the stuffing. The size has become big. Keep turning them. Now it is fried on 2 sides. Now the third side we are frying. Now it is fried properly. This is ready to be served. Serve with prawn curry rice in main course. Subscribe and share my recipes.